One time Prophet Muhammad ﷺ was giving khutbah in Masjid Nabwi. And he asked audience, should I tell you the story of three men? And Sahaba say, Ya Rasulullah, tell us the story of three men. Rasul said, one man came, this is when the gathering is going on in the Masjid Nabwi. One man came to join my gathering, and he saw so many people sitting in the masjid, there was no room. But he decided that he will still move on to find space for him to sit down in my gathering. And he moves forward, and Allah provides him space to sit down, and Allah accepts his presence. There is a second man. He comes, and when he sees so many people in masjid, he has intention to join my gathering, but shaitan comes and whispers in his mind that there are so many people, there is no more room. You tried your best to come and join, let's go home. But then he convinces himself, no, I will still try to find little space so I can join the gathering of Prophet Muhammad ﷺ. So he tries, and Allah provides him as well the space, and Allah accepts his presence as well. But there is a third person. He comes towards masjid. He already looking for excuses to go away. And as soon as he comes close to masjid and he sees so many people, no room there, he said, oh, there is no room, I tried, and he goes home. Prophet ﷺ says that Allah made it difficult for him. To start with, his intention was not to join the gathering. He was looking for excuses, and Allah provided him excuse. Allah made it difficult for him to join my gathering, and Allah rejected him. Wallahi, this is what happens in our everyday life. Remember this hadith. Whenever you come across any difficulty, it's difficult task, brother. I cannot earn halal rizq. I cannot marry my child in a simple way. I have to spend $500,000 to marry my child. I cannot follow Islamic commands because it's so difficult in these days. Remember this hadith, if you will take one step towards Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Allah is willing to take 10 steps towards you. Wallahi, if you move forward, Allah will provide you space and Allah will accept. And whenever Allah gives you tawfiq to do anything good, always give credit to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. As it is said in the hadith of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, whenever you are able to do anything good, always say, La hawla wa la quwwata illa billah, that nothing can happen without the will and permission of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Every khair comes from Him, my brothers and my sisters, because on our physical strength, we cannot do everything. Physical strength has no meaning, no value, no weight, no strength until and unless there is a tawfiq of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. That's why 20-year-old young man has all the physical energy and strength, but he cannot come to masjid for Fajr Salah. But 95-year-old man who has no physical energy but has tawfiq and mercy of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and he can come and join masjid in Fajr Salah.